Back in 2016, this lake, the Imja Lake in the Everest region, was drained. The level was lowered because it was deemed to be very dangerous. It could burst out any time. What they also did was they installed early warning systems. One is the radio signal that activates the siren system downstream. So all these siren towers are installed in villages downstream. And the other system was if any movement on the water, if the level rose or whatever, then real-time satellite data would alert officials in Kathmandu, and they in turn would launch mobile phone alert in the region.
And so 10 years on, there are fears this early warning system may not be working. What have you found out?
So ever since they installed this, none of these systems were repaired, maintained, even inspected. Who are saying this? The members of Sherpa communities, and then also confirmed by authorities in Kathmandu. So they have all confirmed that, this has not happened, and the department officials are saying that the main reason is lack of budget. Responding to our investigation, they are saying that now they will move their focus to this particular lake. They will secure fund. That's what they've told me.
And why is early warning so important in these areas in the Himalayas?
So you see, in the wake of global warming, all these glaciers, as we know, all around the world are melting quite fast, rapidly filling up glacial lakes. So many of these glacial lakes have been identified as risky. They could burst out anytime. It is not just the melting of the glaciers and filling up of the glacial lakes. In the wake of, again, the global warming, mountains are becoming unstable, and they are dislodging all these rock falls, avalanches happening constantly, more than before. In this case, what happens is the rock falls and avalanches might fall into the lakes. And that is how the floods can happen. That has happened. And that is why this warning, this early warning is crucial.
And just tell us what happens when these floods sweep down on settlements below.
For example, in Tame village in the same Everest region a year or 2 years ago, there was a massive thing. What happens is it just sweeps down everything. It sweeps away the settlement, vital infrastructure, bridges, trails, even hydropower stations, and even people die. It's not just water. It brings down the debris, the soil, the rock, and that debris has more energy to sweep away everything. In this region, for example, in the last 50 years, there have been at least 5 glacial lake outburst floods cases.
Our environment correspondent Navin